Hi Mystics! Today we are doing a deck unboxing of the Nature Nurture Oracle by Marcella Kroll. So let's look at the back of the box before we get into it. Become part of the energy of the natural world. Beautiful. So we have this Oracle deck. We've got this spiral and the guidebook. And we're going to take a look at the guidebook first. We've got the cards and the card meanings here. Okay, and then let's dive into the actual cards themselves. Alrighty, so let's move this to the side so that we can look at the card art. We've got Owl for Seer, Buffalo for Abundance, Eagle for Guide, Spider for Creativity. We also have places. We've got Mountain, Trees, Desert, Labyrinth. We also have Moon, Fire for Action. Oh, I love a Phoenix card. We've got the cards here. You've got to see the artwork. And now we are going to do collective card pull. Let's see. What this one? All the way up here. Spider Creativity.